Welcome to Samaramakin Vlogs. Today I'm going to show you there is something very amazing. Wow, it's a camera. Do you know which color is this? Pink or purple? It's this color. You're right, it's purple. Let's open it. Wow, this is so amazing. Wow, it's nice. See this? The color is nice, no? It's lavender. It has wings. It's like a bird. Ooh. See this? There's a unicorn cap over here, and there is a rainbow also. Yeah, I love it so much. I love this. Let's on it. Let's keep this over here and on it. See this? We have to just press this and keep it for 1 minute. This is a nice song. So this is 2 cameras. This is video recording. This is music. This is whatever we click we can see from here. There are games also. We will press it. Yeah, let's remove the cap. I just forgot to remove that. Oh, wow, this is the little light purple. So let's click a photo of it. So like this also we can happen. I'm going to click a photo. I'm going to click a photo and show you. Oh, I just off this one. See this photo? See this?
True.
Now let me take a selfie. Let me show you. 2, 1. See, this is my photo. Open this. Wow, see, this is my photo. Now, do you want to see my game? Let's go in game. I think let's go in game and see if something is inside this. Yeah. First we will off this and see, this is games, okay? See, first we will go like this, and it's games, mother. Snake and ladder. Let's do this. Wow, I'm gonna put it here. And this. Let's see what is inside this now. I hope you like my picture. Let's see what is inside this now. So that and keep in the box so that it do not fry anything. Wow, see this. And this is the thing that we have to put in the camera. The roll of the camera. So there's one already there, and so this is the one extra one. We can also wear a belt. See this? And after when I show you this, then I will put it. Camera back in the pictures. Yeah. And see this. This is the instructions how to do that. This is the photo album. The photo water is to do that. We can stick the photos in this like this. See this? Like this. All photos can be saved in this. I'll just put this back. Yes. There are some colors, you see, you can almost see that white and grey. We can color things. Like example, we are making a photo of a tree, so we can color them green. If we are making a photo of flowers, we can color it any color. Wow, there are 6 colors. These are nice 6 colors. One more instruction. Did I put it inside this? Yeah, see this? There are 2 instructions. Then I did tell you that I will put this thing. So yeah. Oh, that's all. See, now I put the belt. If I go on vacation, I can wear this like this. No need to carry it. And I can take photos like that. Now I'm going to put this sticker on this. Yes. See this? I put on my sticker. Now just put this. So I'm ready for my vacation. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the video. Bye bye.